Tune in, everybody. Tune in. The installation on this was pretty simple. I didn't do it myself. I had my guy do it for me. Watch him do it. The hardest part is going to be underneath there somewhere. There's a screw and like the back in there. So it's going to be hard to reach just because of the angle and positioning of the screw. But that's literally the hardest part. Everything else is going to be easy. Plug and play. Make sure everything works before you put it back in. Put it in the head unit and bam. I did wrap my head unit in gloss black. So don't think you're going to buy this and it's going to come in gloss black. So Android Auto is pretty simple. Got the USB running from the unit itself. The wire coming through to the glove box. As soon as I hooked it up to my phone, it synced up and now it's on the screen. Click that circle right there. I never used Android Auto before, so I imagine all these apps is what I got on my phone. It looked like it for sure. That's Android Auto for you. Alright, so if you can't tell from the snow in front of me, the sun is directly behind me. At least one of the things I've seen people complain about is that the screen is not bright enough. So they say the screen is not bright enough. If you look, that's the lowest setting right there. Yeah, it's kind of dim. Turn it back up. It's bright. Now, it might just be for me because all of my windows are tinted. It's bright and I got the sun directly behind me. So, yo, I'm not gonna lie right now, but this reflection, you see my camera, air freshener, all that up there. I ain't feeling it. I don't like that. So I'm actually gonna do the rest of the review of this head unit at night. So one thing I didn't even think about, top screen was gonna have a different interface. It was gonna be different. So this is not OEM anymore. This interface is based off of DASAITA. So like you only get 3 options. With OEM you get 4. The fonts is different, and even the background, they give you the stock blue background, and even that don't even look right. It don't even look the same. Like that, I just lowered the brightness. All that white around it, that's real life. That's really there. So it don't even be looking right. Here I want to make use of this screen with the backup camera. So I'm gonna put it in reverse. Now it's annoying because look at that. Like it looked terrible, and like you could really please check the situation around. Look at the guideline. What is that? What is that? I can't remove it either. It's awful. It don't even bro, a screenshot or something and just pasted it in there. Like this is not really gonna be guiding me. The other thing I don't like about it is that it's not a deal breaker. It's not dynamic. It don't be turning with the steering wheel. So to lose that, it kind of sucks. The thing that I don't like from this head unit is that when I put it in reverse, the music cuts out. So look, I get this error signal down there. The camera up there, it works fine, but the music cut out. It low-key annoyed me. I'm gonna show y'all what I was talking about when I say you could turn off the guidelines. You want to go to settings, put it extra. You see that right there. Reversing trajectory display is off right now. Alright, yo, so check me out. And I dislike this or that. Performance wise, everything is more so look, something to look good. Now the unit itself overall, it looks good, but this clock right there, I don't like that. I don't like how the clock look. It ain't for me. I don't like the background for these apps. That is not it. That is not it. I don't like that. So right now I'm switching songs. I can't see no little pop-up what the song is. So what do I actually like about this head unit? It's responsive to the touch bar. It's very responsive. There's no lag into it. I like that there's the Google Play Store, and I could download pretty much any app. Pretty much any app. I could download games. I could download social media, YouTube, Instagram, Facebook. The Z link is what you're going to use for CarPlay and Android Auto. Mainly got this head unit to use it as a GPS. So the fact that I could use Google Maps and Waze, I was clipping my phone in there and I used my phone as a GPS, and I was tired of it. Because you know, when I'm driving, someone would call me. And of course, what are the questions that they ask you? Where are you? How far are you? You know? And it's like, I can't answer those questions anymore. So here's what I like. I'm watching flight, YouTube video. Boom, just like a phone. Hold on. There you go, picture in picture. I could do anything.
It's like a very sensitive, you know what I'm saying?
I could go to ways
and everything like that,
and keep the video right there still.
Explain, like literally, and not beat around the bush, because it's like I wasn't trying to get this dude out.
Just like a phone.
People need attention.
So I could pretty much put any color I want on there. Right now I got it pink. And look, check me out though. Got that pink. So we always gonna be matching up. Got to. Matching up. I got the starlight. You're gonna go to settings. Car. Element. Just play around with that. If you got the means to do it, you got the tools, you got the ability, I say go for it. It don't hurt. You're gonna save yourself some money instead of taking it to the shop. If you got the money to take it to the shop and you trust them, it should be no problem for them to do it. Just make sure everything works though. Make sure your backup camera work. And if you got the lane watch camera, like I do, make sure the lane watch camera work. And make sure you get that harness. I still gotta go back and check. My lane watch camera don't work. I'm pushing the button for it now. I'm indicating, right? It don't turn on. One more thing I do want to touch on is the Wi-Fi. Obviously, this is the internet. It's an app. So, you're going to need Wi-Fi. So, I don't know. I never really used the hotspot on my phone before, so I don't know how it works. But every time I turn on my car, I have to turn on the mobile hotspot on my phone so I could get internet connection on the unit. Yo, I almost forgot. Here's another thing I like. Yes, sir. I'm not gonna go through everything. I just wanted to show y'all what I liked, what I disliked. Ask away. Ask away. I'm gonna answer you back. If I don't know, I don't know, and I'm gonna let you know. If I do know, I'm gonna respond. I'm gonna keep it 100 with you.